Hi there, I'm Irina, and today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful features of Coauditor, control testing with MJ. This is where Coauditor helps audit teams test dozens of samples in just minutes using AI-driven precision, while giving you full control and visibility into every result. To begin testing, just click Start Testing from your request screen. Now, you'll define what you want MJ to check. Click Add Test Attribute. This is where you define the expected control behavior or test steps. For example, was the 401k reconciliation document compared against interface totals from LTIP Pro? You can add multiple attributes depending on what's in scope. For now, I'll leave this as 3 test attributes. Then you can choose to enter an example documentation that shows how you would document one of the samples tested manually. This helps MJ understand what good looks like, so it can apply the same logic to other samples. This is particularly useful if your audit methodology requires specific documentation language or style of references supporting evidence. You also have the option to ask MJ to generate the conclusion automatically. Just check this box. Now click Run Test, and in minutes, Coauditor evaluates all your samples. Each cell in the grid updates with a supporting explanation of the result, and if there is an issue, MJ flags it for follow-up. In this example, MJ has identified a variance in the reconciliation spreadsheet, and it looks like there was no documentation provided for how that variance was resolved. This level of insight at speed helps you shift from document wrangling to real analysis. And yes, you can export all of this into Excel or CSV formats for your working papers. So that's control testing with MJ. Faster testing, smarter documentation, and way more time for what actually matters: quality reviews, root cause analysis, and discussions with management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more Coauditor features.